Hello students, welcome to our session. We are in the unit of Rampur, a village economy. Earlier we discussed 2 or 3 points. Today let us go for another point, organization of production. Production. Production is a system which produces goods and services. Here, if the question arises, what is the aim of production? The answer is, the aim of production is to produce goods and services, whatever public or people need. So production is a system which produces goods and services for the utilization of public. Here in Rampur, let us take a quick look overall process of production in Rampur. Production process having 4 types of production factors. Here, the production requires 4 types of production factors or requirement. If anybody wants to produce something, he or she has to mingle or mix 4 factors of production. As we discussed earlier, there are 4 factors or requirements. First one is land, second one is labor, third one is capital, and fourth one is entrepreneurship or enterprise. Here in Rampur, land is used to produce food grains. Example, wheat, jowar, bajra, like. So land and as well as water, forest and minerals also used in first factor. So this is the first factor. Land is basically first factor to be used in agricultural sector as well as in industrial sector also. Second one, if you go for the second one, second requirement is labor. The people who do the work is called laborers. So here 2 types of labor or laborers are there. One is trained laborers or non-technical, non-trained or skilled or unskilled. Skilled laborers or unskilled laborers, or educated workers or manual workers. Educated workers or manual workers. These 2 types of laborers will be there in labor segment. Here, labor refers to human effort in production. In every stage of production, labor is used to produce something. For example, engineer with his plans and manager, accountant, machine operator, all their personal work together to produce something in human efforts. So this is a labor segment, and third factor is there, third requirement is there, that is capital. In capital, the variety of inputs are there in terms of tools, machines, buildings. These are used in factories. And tractors, generators, motor, these are used in farming. So both of them are used in Rampur village also. So these tools, machines, buildings and tractors, generators, all these are called fixed capital or physical capital. And one more capital is there. Second type of capital is also there. Raw material and money. This is called working capital. Fixed capital, working capital. 2 types of capital are there. One is fixed capital and second one is working capital. Working capital is used to buy another material, to pay salaries. Money is used to buy another material and to pay salaries of the laborers, workers. And this is used in production cycle also. Here, raw material, money are also very important in production system. For example, if a potter is there to produce pots, he needs clay. If the weaver is there, he needs cotton to produce cloth. So students, these are the production factors all together work for a production system. So let us discuss the 4th point also, that is enterprise or entrepreneurship. In organization of production, there is one more factor, that is enterprise or entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur combines remaining three production factors, that are land, labor and capital. By combining these factors, he runs the establishment. He runs the establishment or factory or farm, whatever it may be there. Here, mainly the aim of production is to produce goods and services. The entrepreneur is responsible to fulfill this aim. Entrepreneur's responsibility is to fulfill the aim of production. That means produce goods and services, whatever required by the people or public. Here, what the entrepreneur does, knowledge of process. So he has the ability to use land, labor, and capital in a correct way. He has to organize these three factors together to run the factory or to cultivate the land. Here, owner have to take so many risks. Suppose an entrepreneur or a owner of that establishment has to take so many risks in terms of selling, producing, fixing the rate, all those things. He has to take risks. Whenever he get lost, he has to bear that also. So, entrepreneurs have to, in this scene, entrepreneurs have to plan and organize and manage the establishment by combining land, labor, capital. By combining these rest of production factors, he has to manage, he has to organize and manage this establishment. Entrepreneurs have to plan, organize and manage. What entrepreneurs in Rampur, we say them as the farmers, shopkeepers, small scale manufacturers and service providers. In service providers segment, we see doctors, lawyers, engineers, etc. So here, in this segment, we come to across the subject, they sell their goods and services to people. Entrepreneurs produce services and goods and they don't keep them with them. They don't keep the goods they produce with them at all. They try to sell to the people. In this process, they may get profit and they may get loss also. That's why the risk, we have used the word here, risk. So they may get profit or a loss in terms of market conditions. Entrepreneurs combine these four factors, that are land, labor and capital, or the elements of factors. They combine the elements of factors or factors of production to produce something. In this way, the factor is works here, the requirement is worked here. So by this we end this point. Let's meet in another point in next session.